Not seeing notification icons on your iPhone apps? It can be frustrating when your app badges aren't showing up. But don't worry, this guide will show you how to fix it in no time. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check notification badge settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Scroll down and select the app that's not showing its notification icon. Ensure Badges is toggled on for the app. If it's off, turn it on to enable the app's notification icon on the home screen. Solution 2. Check Focus Mode settings. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap Focus. Make sure no focus mode like Do Not Disturb is enabled. If it's on, either turn it off or customize the focus settings to allow app notifications. Focus modes can block notification badges and alerts. Solution 3. Ensure app notifications are enabled. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap Notifications, and select the app that's missing the icon. Ensure Allow Notifications are toggled on. Make sure that lock screen, notification center, and banners are enabled for the app. Also, check sounds and badges to confirm everything is set correctly. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on it. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings, including notification settings, which might fix the missing icon issue. Now you know how to restore your app notification icons on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.